Hello, hi, how's it going? My name is Carlo, and yeah, this is my first video of 2019 and my first video on sneakers. Um, yeah, new year, new me. I'm just kidding. I'm the same me, but I just wanted to try something different, and yeah, this is it. So let's get right into it. Today we are going to be talking about the Nike and a Coldwall Air Force One, which released on January 10th, and I got mine off the Sneakers app. So yeah, if you guys don't know what a Coldwall is, it's a higher end fashion brand headed by Samuel Ross, who worked under Virgil Abloh and branched off, did his own thing, and in a few years you have what it is now, and they have some really cool pieces. A lot of the stuff that I can't afford, but I do have these. So yeah, I'm gonna get into unboxing them. I've seen them already, but I'm gonna unbox it for the hell of it. So you have a pull-out box here. You have paper, which has Nike on it. Very cool. And yeah, I got the Optic White colorway. So there you have it. Nike and a Coldwall Air Force One. Sleek, cool, Optic White. So yeah, let's talk about the shoe a little bit. As you can see, this whole upper is comprised of a material that Nike calls fly leather. It's a newer technology, and it's made of 50%, I have it written down here, 50% recycled natural leather fiber. So with that, this helps reduce the environmental footprint associated with leather manufacturing, I'm guessing by 50%. But it makes it so it's more sustainable. I've heard Samuel Ross talk about it, and he's like super into it, being environmentally friendly, being sustainable. So good on them, trying something different, trying something new. So yeah, getting back into the shoe. As you can see, you have a Coldwall logo here. You have your perforated swoosh. And with that one piece of fly leather, the way they kind of made the design, they lasered in the toe box here, perforations up here, and then you have some more lasering. Oops, lasering right here. Oh, where am I? Right here. Which is super cool. I guess being a one-piece type of shoe, you reduce the amount of leather and amount of waste that you are using by creating the shoe. So yeah, moving on, some more of the upper, you have this suede. Samuel Ross says it's suede. I'm not convinced. It kind of feels more of like a felt. Kind of the same material that is on the Fear of God Air Skylon 2s. So yeah, but if it's suede, it's suede, whatever. Maybe it's a more sustainable suede. I don't know, but yeah, continuing on. On the backside, you have your Nike Air embroidered, boom, boom, and then on the insole, you have a Coldwall. Going into the lining, it's a mesh lining right here. Your tongue, nice ACW logo right there. Gotta let people know you're wearing a Coldwall. Mesh tongue. And then a big thing about the shoe, a huge aesthetic, is the lacing system. I know he did it on his Air Force One highs that released like a year ago, and he put it on here. This was one of the turnoffs for me on this shoe. When I first saw it, I saw the side and I was like, oh man, I really want to get that. Saw the lacing system, was pretty turned off, but I was like, I'll try it anyway. So yeah, I got it. It's starting to grow on me, but I got this in my regular size, which is a 7.5, and they are a little big, but I also feel like they feel bigger because I can't fully lace my shoe in. My heel always pops out whenever I try to walk, and yeah, just from cruising Instagram, I saw an Instagrammer post. Let me see what his name is. His name is Rennie underscore DS. That's RENNIE underscore DS. He bought a pair and he created lace holes and made them look like regular Air Force Ones. So I think I'm gonna do that. No offense to Sammy Ross, I don't know what his design purpose is with the 4 eyelets. If you guys know, let me know. I don't know, but yeah, because they fit really well on me. But my heel just pops out, so I'm hoping that putting those lace holes in and being able to tighten my foot into the shoe a little bit better will really help. So yeah, lacing system. Boom. Moving on to the midsole, you have your pretty normal Air Force One midsole. Same optic white as the top. You got some speckles on it as well. And then you have your outsole, which is an off-white color. You can't really tell, but it is off-white, and then you have speckling on the outsole as well. So that's it. Nike, a Coldwell Air Force One. I like them. Still think I'm going to modify it a little bit and add the lace holes. And yeah, my wife thinks they look like snow boots, but to each their own, you know. You like what you like. So yeah, should I do an on foot? I guess okay, let's do an on foot. Alright, so there you have it. I mean, overall, I think Nike and Coldwell did a great job in creating something different from your normal colorway changes, using new material on an older silhouette, this fly leather. Yeah, I think I'm going to keep them. I will be doing the lace modifications, which I think I'm going to make a video on just me doing it, and we'll see how it turns out. But yeah, I'm very interested in seeing how this fly leather breaks in. It's very stiff, so I don't know if it's going to crease, or maybe it's going to take like 3 months to crease. I don't know. I'm just going to wear them, see how that works out. Only time will tell, you know? But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, consider subscribing, consider getting notifications if you're into that, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.